Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get this Google search bar on your Android phone, and this is easy to do. Let's just hold down on the home screen here, and then go to Widgets. Now under Widgets, we can find the Google search option. This is for YouTube, so let's go over to Browse, and scroll on through here until we get to Google. Then tap Google, and then we have the search bar right here we can add to the home screen. So for some reason it didn't add it now, but we can go back to it. And there should be a option below it if we go to it. So let's go to Google. So here is the search bar. Tap it and then go to add. Now we can add it. And we can drag this to any kind of screen we want. So we can bring it over here. And then we can edit this too, I think, if we want to make it more transparent or not. But yeah, you can add it to your home screen now. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.